Hello and welcome to another episode on Yusuf Onabekun's channel. On today, I'll be showing you how you can not only use Pixel to track your orders, also when you install a Pixel on your advert, it helps Facebook to also show your advert to the right kind of people you get. So, if you have not watched my last video, you can go and watch it, how to make six figure in affiliate marketing, and that's a very powerful video for you to check out. So without much this is a follow-up to the video I did 2000 and last year where I showed you how to track your conversion, which also still works, but the updated version, one of the method I was using back then, which was the first method. If you go and watch this video, I'll drop the link below. As it's kind of too complicated and you might need to just be copying on different pages, but with the installation of one or two plugins now, you can be able to get it done. So without much ado, we would, let's say this is our advert now and we want to be able to get the right kind of result for our campaign, and this is our page that I want to install. Now you'll be needing your thank you page, which is of importance. So in the plugin section, you go and install what is called Pixel Cards. Now when you come here, just search for Pixel. When you search for Pixel, you see various ones. I've tested various ones and this seems to be working very well. This is it, Pixel Cards. The free version is enough for you, except maybe you want to have more than one pixel on your site, so you have to get the pro version. This is not a sponsored video, so yeah, rest assured that this is not maybe I'm trying to. So after you've installed it, you go to your plugin, you activate it. So now that you have activated it, note I said you're going to need your thank you page. You click on set on my pixel, note your thank you page, the title of your thank you page, the thank you page. That's my own title. Excuse me. So you need to get your pixel. So you go here, choose this icon. I click on event manager. So let's come here while it is loading. So this is my own pixel. That's the name I called it. So I'm just opening it up for you to see. So you copy this I number, come to this place, you add your ID, you add that. Don't just save, you need to add the event, what you want to be to track for this particular campaign. I want it to track purchases. I can see website purchases. So I go back to my site, I click on add new, I look for my thank you page. So I've already said this. I'll choose the event. Now if you want it to track lead, choose the lead. So I choose purchases and I want to give the purchase value. So let's say my product is sold for 20,000 naira and the currency is naira. I come here and I save it up. So I click on save. Now this is one aspect. So to have much more results and conversion, you come back here to your event manager and you come to your settings. So the fact that you've installed your pixel on that site, when you come here now, you add your domain on this site. So even if your the optimization is not well done by you, because there is a much more complex method to go about this, but this is like the easiest way to go about this. You click on add the domain. Now I confirm the domain, and remember I have toggled these events, which is track event automatically without code. As long as my pixel is on that side, it's still going to track it, but I just decide to just make sure everything is in order and turn on advanced matching. You turn on this one as well. So now with this you'll be able to get, there is another method under this aggregated events measurement, but we don't need that for this video. This simple method is enough for you to track your events. So after you've done that, you come back here and you save. So like this, you'll be able to get your stuff the kind of result that you want. It will help you to optimize your campaign and the likes. And if you need much more help and service, this is my site sheson.me, where I help you to create, manage and optimize ads so that you can get much more results for your stuff. You can check it out by with the links on this video or the links in the description below. These are some of the results that I have gotten for clients, and this is not just something I just make up. As you can see, this is my various account that I use for clients. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video.